It is March 16th, 2025. This is Fig and Fruit Nursery and Orchard. And we're looking at my first row of fig trees here. It has been 2 weeks since I pulled the top off of her. And it took me about a week to get them all, about 7 days, get them all potted up and repotted or add dirt to them. And they're starting to show signs of life. This in-ground tree here is white Adriatic. Looks like it's got some decent sized Breba on it. At least one or two. Maybe we'll get a few more. I'm starting to see Breba here and there. Things are starting to wake up. The LSU champagne starting to leaf out there in the pot. That's a Hardy Chicago, and it doesn't count. It's disqualified. It's been in the house. Let's ease on down through here and see what else is waking up. That's LSU purple. It's got a lot of leaf on it. That in-ground white Madeira apical bud starting to go. But you notice you don't see any signs of life on any of the others. That is why it's important to keep some apical buds. And we might even get some Breba out of some of these. Move on down. This next tree is LSU Ollier. Its apicals are waking up. That's the only sign of life I see besides the apical buds on it. Looks like it's got a couple Breba on it. That's good news. We'll get some early fix. This is Laterula. Got a Breba on it. Potted tree there with the leaves. Another LSU purple. Like, this is interesting. This is Sakura Black. It ain't even trying to wake up. And just for by comparisons, let's come over here real quick and look at, this is Borgia Soap Grease. It's starting to wake up a little bit. Now these apicals over here are not, but it's starting to. Let's go back and look at the Sakura Black again. See if it's got a Breba. See if we can find anything here that is waking up. No. So this Sakura Black, in this particular instance, there's one that's trying to, but it seems to be just a few days behind the Borgia Soap Grease. That's an interesting observation. Another potted LSU purple. Here's the Sakura Black I dug up. It's not doing anything, which is not surprising. Unguarola's waking up in ground. RDB in the pot. Looking good. I'm not sure what that is. It's got some Breba on it though. Moving along. This in-ground tree is, and it's starting to wake up, setting some Breba. That is yellow long neck. No, this is Cotadom Blanca Negra. It's got some Breba on it. Hopefully we don't lose our Breba. We've got a little bit of dieback on this thing. Look at there. That happens once in a while. It's the first branch I have seen with any dieback on it though. We'll have to come through and we'll start laying these over tonight. This is Cavalieri. What does it look like? Getting some Breba. Getting some buds. It's trying to wake up. There's a Moral de Caneva. It's not doing much. Ain't no hurry about waking up. None of the Mount Etnas are even beginning to. This is super jumbo. It's taller branches waking up. Constantine de Algiers, its apicals are waking up. Let's see what this is here, just a conversation. That's ADIA. It's waking up. There's a Smith. This is green Mitskarenska. Got some Breba on it this year. See if it's got more Breba down here. I can't say that I do or don't. I don't really see any Breba on the green Mitskarenska. Negra Diagne starting to wake up. Doesn't have no apical. There's the apical. You can see it's waking up a little more. You also noticed that there's Breba here, so that's cool. My JH Adriatic, it's waking up. I'm not sure what this is. I can't get over there and see the pot and see what this is. I can tell you that's Hardy Chicago back there. Ain't doing nothing. There'll be another Hardy Chicago up here in a minute. Caldodom Ramada. Trying. This is, it's like maybe, nope, it's waking up. This is Campaneering. There's a Hardy Chicago. It's not even beginning to wake up. Vertino del Nord. Tatiana, it's not waking up yet. There's another Mount Etna behind it not waking up. Parline Cream just starting to. This is Sapphire 4. I'm seeing a lot of Breba on that limb. That limb is covered in Breba. There's a few Breba over here. Moving on down. Scott's Black. Got some Breba. I'm not sure what that is. It's wrote on the pot. I don't see it. Must be wrote on the other side. There's a Desert King. It's got several Breba. First time I've ever got any Breba off my Desert King. So we'll have to hope that this makes it tonight. No problem. Caldodom Nori, that big green ground tree there. Violets at pour. It's trying to wake up. There's your Caldodom Nori. It's got some Breba. The brown turkey back there waking up. This is a Caldodom Blanca Negra that I've rejuvenated. This is my Smith. It's showing signs of life. All of the apicals on my Smith are waking up. There's one that it's starting to push bud, but it's a little behind. That's why these apicals are always first to fruit. Main crop, they just get going a little faster. There's a Black Greek. You see it ain't doing anything. Black Mantazina, really leafing out nice. But you can see the apicals are, well, there's not apicals, it's just now pushing. So it's a big advantage to try to leave apical buds. Dolucci Lecce, that's a Sacred Origin. There's LSU Purple with some Breba. LSU Strawberry, ain't getting in no hurry. There's the Borges Oak Grease. Black Mantazina in the pot, ain't getting in no hurry. This is a Perpone Del San Juan Ron on Black Texas Everberry Rootstocks. It ain't getting in no hurry about waking up. That's Norella in the ground. No worries, not waking up. Turca It's no hurry to wake up. One more roll. Let's see what we got. Dale said Wami Ron. No hurry to wake up. Of course, now it ain't got but one apical bud right back there. You see, there it is. But it ain't no hurry. Another Breba. I don't know that. I'm not sure what that is. I can't see the name. I can see the tag. But moving along. This is Black Greek Marius from Mount Etna. See, it's not doing anything. That one right there is Fico Roxo. It's waking up. Colol Noir right next to it, not doing anything. Maryland Berry not doing anything. I find some advantages to these ones that are not doing anything at this point, because they're the type that would be a candidate, a lot better candidate to be outside, that you could uncover and didn't have to worry about it waking up if you uncovered it too early, because it just ain't gonna get no hurry. Zarfiro's got some nice Breba on it. It's trying to wake up. That's this big in-ground tree here. White Triana right there. I believe that's Katati back there. That's what I think it is. Can't see the name tag, but I think that's what it is. That's Audier. Called it Amrajo's, and it's got some Breba. LSU Champagne right there. And I see a few Breba on it. LDA. This is called, this in-ground tree is called a Don Bordesotinka. It's got, I'm seeing a few Breba on it here and there. Pastilier, not in no hurry waking up. Not sure what that is. This big tree is YOLO Bypass. Don't really see any Breba on it, but it is waking up and it's starting to push some buds where I had pruned it. But that's good. Yeah, there's one there you can see real good getting going. Moscatel Preto. It's getting some leaf on it. Sweet Joy leafing out. Secret, no hurry to wake up. Kareem Gamora. I don't think that's common. It's not waking up. This is Mutante. Caldodom Mutante. Yeah. No, don't really see much sign of waking up. Start maybe showing some sign of some Breba, but it's not pushing no bud there where it was pruned. Parlag Cream. Not sure what that is. I can't see the tag on it. This next one here is Gigantina. Really, it's setting some Breba, but it ain't really trying to leaf out. Well, nope, that's a potted tree. That's LSU Purple. Gambino back there, pushing the leaf. Bergen Unknown, trying to get going. Black Madeira KK. No hurry. I pruned that Black Madeira back there kind of hard. It's starting to get some bud out on it. This looks like Caldodom Negra. It's got some Breba on it. There's a super red down there in a pot trying to push. Here's super red in the ground. Nothing yet. I see maybe some Breba. Yellow long neck in a pot. This is a Black Madeira number 9 seedling that came from Encanto Farms. And it's got several Breba on it, and it is pushing leaf. This is about a 3-year-old tree. Just put it in there. I'm hoping it'll get a little bigger. I've got a couple of these to root, so in case somebody likes something strange like that. Negra de Agde in the pot there, ain't getting in no hurry. This is red sham. It's trying to. You notice it's about in the same spot that the other one is, the super red is. Not quite there. I believe that's maybe, I can't really tell. It might be another Gambino. Looks like. There's a Campaneri. Ain't doing much. It don't get about no hurry about waking up. There's a Naples Yellow. It's trying. It's whatever it is, it's got several. This is probably another Black Madeira seedling. I'm not sure, but I can't see the tag. Yeah, I don't see it. It's wrote on there somewhere. This last tree is Brazilian XP. It's trying. Not too much going on. And that's an unknown. I believe it to be from, I bought it to be something, and it turned out that it wasn't what it was. And it is a Ramada fig, and done quite a bit of research, and I've got to eat it and seen the leaf pattern, and I think it is Bordeaux Blanca Ramada is what I think it to be. Just by the way it shaped and its inside and the leaf pattern and its grow pattern and what have you. So, and there's Brocolette, no hurry about waking up. So, what's this thing here? De La Roca knot. Don't know what it is. It was bought as De La Roca, but it ain't. Well, there's what the greenhouse looks like today. We're gonna flip them over, the ones that are standing up and out. We'll lay them over, and we're gonna put the tops on it and get it all done for the night. Have to open it back up first thing in the morning. We're gonna have this couple nights this week. It's gonna be cold, but we're progressing pretty well. Won't be too long. We'll start well, we got about a month. We'll start seeing some main cropping. I'll just keep doing this like every 2 weeks, how they progress, and show you what they're doing. And we won't take these sides off until we get toward the end of April, so it'll be about a month longer on keeping these sides on here till I'm pretty sure we're, forecasts say that we're out of danger, then they'll stay on until then. So thanks for watching.